what makes me do things? What are the reasons? I'm going to present to you secondary reasons muna, and then quickly we will go to the primary reason. You can actually open your handouts and you will see there, sa pinakataas, yun yung secondary reasons why you do what you are doing. So, one is, you feel obligated. Kailangan kong gawin to eh. Kaya kailangan gawin ko to kasi kailangan gawin. This is expected of me. That's why I'm doing this. Kaya kailangan i-check ko to. Check, kailangan gawin ko to. Another secondary reason is, I want to do what I do. Ibig sabihin, nag-i-enjoy ka dun sa ginagawa mo. Like, if you're a musician, nag-i-enjoy ka na tumutugtog. When you're a singer, you're a businessman, you enjoy doing your business. That is your passion. You are a sports-minded person, so you enjoy doing things. So I want to do what I do. So something that you enjoy. Another secondary reason why I do what I am doing is I want to be accepted. Tama ba yun? Kaya pag nagkaroon ng picture-picture, mga selfie-selfie, pinipili yung kailangan i-post kasi yung ibang anggulo ay hindi maganda para i-like naman, di ba? Ako lang ba yun? Or tayo lahat yun? Tapos, pinifilter pa natin, i-edit para pag pinost natin, maganda ang dating. Because I want to be accepted. So that's one reason why I do what I am doing. But now, let us go to what I promised. What is the biggest reason why you do what you do? What is that biggest reason? Ito dapat yung sagot natin. I do what I do because of what I think of me. So, alam niyo na ba, na-realize na ba natin na kaya ko pala ginagawa ito because that is how I perceive myself. Kung ano tingin ko sa sarili ko, ganun ang aking kilos, ganun ang aking gawi. Sa Tagalog, ano? So, ito talagang dahilan. Kaya kung napansin ninyo, regardless ng ages natin dito, kaya pala, when we are in a situation, nadadala tayo sa isang sitwasyon, napapapunta tayo doon, ang ating reaction ay pare-pareho. Kasi, that's how I think of me. Kahit na ayaw mo na gano'n ang reaction mo, pero gano'n pa rin ang behavior kasi that is how you look at yourself. So, are you following this right now? Kung bakit natin nagagawa yung isang bagay, kung bakit gano'n ang reaction natin, ay dahil yun ang ating pananaw sa sarili natin. Kaya katulad niyan, kung ang aking sinasabi lagi, ako ay mahiyain talaga ako eh. Kaya kahit na ikaw ay merong naman ibubuga at pinakilala ka na, pagdating doon, ang ayaw mo pa rin na ilabas kung ano talaga ang meron sa'yo. Kasi ang conclusion mo, mahiyain talaga ako eh. Hindi ako destined na mag-shine. Kahit na potential naman na mag-shine ka dapat. Kahit na sinasabi ng lahat, it's your time to shine. Ayaw mo because your thinking is, I am not meant to shine. Is this, nasasaktan pa kayo? Pero dapat lang na ma-realize natin, Kasi, kaya pala, ganun ang ating ginagawa. Kasi sabi nga ni King Solomon sa Bible, for as he thinks in his heart, so is he.